and look at when you put a microscope on the brain and how the brain functions and how it develops, then you understand even more why they keep so-called black people away from genetics. They keep us away from science, all branches of science that has to do with the physiology, the phenotype, makeup of what you would call the human species today. I said to you before, these people have undeveloped brains. And not only that, these people are mixed with different DNA. So the brain does not know what to formulate itself into fully. So therefore, they display characteristics that are bestiality. So now let me just read this right here for you. Lobe and the frontal lobe, how important that is that they keep that underdeveloped, because that there deals with a delayed gratification, higher cognitive skills, creativity, and it regulates your emotions. Whereas though that you're a reactive person, you're more of a response person. Others have a noticeable decrease in gray matter, particularly in areas associated with emotional regulation, empathy, and social cognition. Memory. I told you, in dealing with your limbic system, the most things stick with you in that area because they want to keep you in that area. That's the mammalian part of the brain. So, you have the neomammalian and the mammalian part of the brain, the lower part of the brain. And I want you to understand about this orbital frontal lobe cortex. This orbital frontal lobe cortex sits at the bottom of the prefrontal lobe and the frontal lobe. This sits at the bottom, and most of them operate, your doctors, your dentists, these people, this is the highest of their consciousness that they can get. This is as far as their brain has developed. So when you see like I said, these lawyers, you see these judges, you see these complex cells that appear to be intelligent but not really intelligent once you actually question their beliefs. Their brain has just developed enough where though they can retain certain information and they can speak to you in a lingo that gives you the appearance that they are intelligent above you, but that's not the case. Our brain controls all physical reality, and these people are dealing with undeveloped brains. And when you have an undeveloped brain, you are going to exhibit characteristics of abuse, characteristics of a violent of a violent person, a violent species. You're not going to have empathy. It's easy to throw children into fire. It's easy to hang people. It's easy to take pictures with dead bodies when your brain is underdeveloped.